Hi students and families, this is Ms. Davis. I'm just going to record a quick tutorial on how to do the assignment to be part of the Christmas sing-along video. So the first step is going to be in Google Classroom. This is the 4th grade Google Classroom and yours may not look the same, but you're going to look for a Christmas sing-along assignment that might look something like this. Some ideas to be able to make your word are listed here, and you're going to want to just go ahead and open the attachment that shows what you or your child is assigned to do on their sign. So the names are in red and their assignment is in green. You're going to want to get creative to make a sign or take a picture of your words in lots of different ideas that are posted on that assignment. The next part that you're going to do is open your Google Drawings assignment that's titled Sing Along. As you do that, in order to attach your image, you're going to click on this icon right here that I've circled in red. It looks kind of like a picture. When you open that, you're going to get this menu and you're going to click on camera. You're going to need to click allow right here. If you don't click allow, it won't work at all. So please make sure you click allow and then your camera will pop up. You can click the orange button to take your picture. You can either navigate it so that you take a picture or just stand back, hold up your sign. You can get your siblings involved, the whole family, or do it alone. If you want to upload a previously taken picture, instead of clicking the camera, you'll just want to click upload from computer. So there's, I guess, 2 options that you can do it. But the live option is, of course, really easy. You may just want to have a friend or a family member click the picture button so that you can stand far enough back to hold up your sign. Once you've taken the picture, you'll be able to just click insert and it'll pop up like this. This is me with this is my sign. Of course, you'll want to get more creative and have a little bit more fun with it. Once that is done, it will automatically save to your teacher's drive where they'll be able to access it to insert those pictures into the video, and it will be to the White Christmas words and it'll look really great. Hope those steps make sense. If you have questions, please reach out to your student's teacher or your teacher if you're a student, and we'll do our best to troubleshoot for you. Thanks. Good luck.